Guys, this is it. TK Herbal facial soap. You have to get it for yourself. It works on the body to all your skin problems. I beg you, try this and thank me later. So you can call or WhatsApp TK Herbal on 0241 273054. 0241 273054. You can reach him on TikTok to TK Herbal TikTok, then IG Instagram is TK_Herbal. Contact him and get it. Contact him and get yours, please. It's very effective. There's Skin Naughty on TikTok. So guys, you see it. I've washed my face. I'm done. So you see it. Share. How to apply it on your face. Apply it on your face. After that, wait for 10 to 20 minutes. Then you go and wash your face.